Hello everyone, welcome back to Knowledge Elevator. My name is Tariq Rahim, and in this quick tutorial I am going to elaborate some Canva new features. So first feature is how you can add a form to your presentation, to your assignment, to your project. So it's really simple. When you log into Canva, you can see there is an option below search bar presentation. So for example, first we are going to add the form to presentation to a slide. So just click on that option. So when you click on presentation option, then you can see there is a white background that you have. So on the left panel there is already available templates over there. So just choose a template that you want. So now next is you can add a form here. So for example, in this template there is already text. Our form is available, so I will select all and delete that. And after that I will go to the left panel, and you can see there is multiple options, shapes, graphic, photos and forms available. So I will click on form, and after that you can see there is multiple forms available over there. So what you want, you can click on that and add to your slide, to your page. So for example, I like this one, so I will add this to my picture, to my slide. And again, on the left panel you can see there is multiple options available over there for adjustment. You can adjust color, text, some other things that you want. You can do that type of editing. On the left panel you can also do some changes in fonts and text, all these things. So for example, if you think that this form is ready after adjustment, after modification, so you can download this and use this in your presentation. And after that I will move toward another feature, which is about email, that Canva added a new feature. And this new feature of Canva about email is very amazing. You can add header, footer to your email, and also different things you can add to make your email more attractive. So for example, on the left panel there is option of design. I will click on that, and you can see there is multiple templates available over there, and below that there is elements. So I will click on that, and now you can see there is a header, footer, buttons, columns, everything that you want that is available in all these options. So for example, I'm going to add header to my email, so I will click on that. So now you can see there is a header added to the page, and there is already email, and also the website link is available over there. So you can do editing here if you want, and also you can add footer to your email, and after that you can add text. So you can write here, and that will be a very professional and organized email that you can use for different purposes. Now I will move toward another feature, which is adjustment of text in a picture. For example, if you have this template available over there, so after choosing this template, what you can do, you can adjust the text of this according to your own interest from the left panel. Just click on the text and go to color option and adjust all these colors. There is option of gradient color, so you can choose different colors from the left side. And after this type of adjustment, you can simply download this picture and use for different purposes. So next amazing feature is about magic media. So you can design 3D picture for your ad, and also you can use for social media. So what you can do, simply click on apps that is available in the left panel just below the effect. So when you click on that, above there is a search bar, just right here magic media. So now you can see there is multiple options available over there, and click on magic media. So now there is image, graphics, video and 3D options. Click on 3D, and there is option where you can write what you want. So just write a prompt. You can use ChatGPT for this, and when you write a prompt, just paste it here and submit, or you can say generate. So now you can see I just pasted the prompt that I write for this design, and now you can see my 3D picture is ready, and I can use it for different purposes. So you can do all these things for your own interest, for different projects, assignments, and for social media post. All these things are really easy. I will move toward another amazing Canva AI feature. It will be the last feature of our video. So for example, you wanna create a collage for your social media post, but you are unable to find that in Canva already available templates. So for example, if you click on elements, so you can see there is multiple templates available, but the templates that you want, that is not available over there. So what you can do, simply click on design, and after clicking on design, you can see there is a option where you can write. So just write a prompt and paste it here. You can use ChatGPT, Perplexity, DeepSeek for all these things. So when you write a prompt and just paste it here, so when you paste again, you can see there is multiple templates available, but for example, you don't want these templates. So what you will do, click on generate design. Now Canva AI will generate design for you according to your prompt. So it will take a while, and after that you can see they just create a design for you. And now I can click on this, and after clicking on this, I will be able to edit all these pictures, text, everything that I created. So make sure that the prompt that you are going to write, that you write by using ChatGPT, make sure that it should be amazing, it should be perfect, and according to that, AI or Canva AI will write or design things for you. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much for your time. If you like the video, hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel.